Bread and diabetes. How to make the right choice when it comes to bread for diabetes patients. It's important to choose a bread that is low in carbohydrates and high in fiber to help regulate blood sugar levels. Here are some of the best bread options for diabetes patients. Whole grain bread. Whole grain bread is a good choice for diabetes patients as it contains complex carbohydrates and fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. Rye bread. Rye bread is another good option for diabetes patients as it has a lower glycemic index than wheat bread, meaning it causes a slower and more gradual rise in blood sugar levels. Pumpernickel bread. Pumpernickel bread is a type of rye bread that is made from coarsely ground whole rye grains. It is low in carbohydrates and high in fiber, making it a good option for diabetes patients. Sourdough bread. Sourdough bread is made using a natural fermentation process that helps break down the carbohydrates and make them easier to digest. This can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Ezekiel bread. Ezekiel bread is made from sprouted grains and legumes, which makes it a good source of fiber and protein. It has a low glycemic index and can help regulate blood sugar levels. When choosing bread for diabetes patients, it's important to read the nutrition label and choose bread that is low in carbohydrates and high in fiber. Additionally, it's important to practice portion control and limit the amount of bread consumed at each meal to help regulate blood sugar levels.